We're stuck inside a drought. And if it don't rain now, it will never rain again. I can still hear the forecast saying clouds are moving in. Water in again. The neighbors are all crying.